7 ways to attract a high quality man. Here are 7 proven ways to attract a high quality man. If you're looking to attract a high quality man, there are several things you can do to increase your chances of finding a high quality man. Number 1, be confident. Confidence is key when it comes to attracting quality men. Men are attracted to women who are self-assured, know what they want, and are not afraid to go after it. Work on building your self-confidence and self-esteem, and you will naturally exude an irresistible aura of attractiveness. Focus on self-improvement. One of the most attractive qualities in a person is self-improvement. When you focus on becoming the best version of yourself, you attract people who share the same values and goals. Work on your physical fitness, mental health, and emotional well-being. Number 3, be clear about what you want. If you're looking for a high quality man, it is important to be clear about what you want in a relationship. Make a list of your must-haves and deal breakers and communicate them clearly to potential partners. Cultivate a positive attitude. A positive attitude is contagious and attractive. When you approach life with optimism and a can-do attitude, you inspire others to do the same. Focus on the good things in your life and be grateful for what you have. Be open-minded and communicative. High-quality men value open communication and emotional intelligence in a partner. Be open-minded and willing to listen to a man's perspective and communicate your own thoughts and feelings in a clear and respectful manner. Have a life outside of dating. Men are drawn to women who have their own lives and interests outside dating. Have a fulfilling career, hobbies, and a social life, and you will attract high-quality men who value and appreciate your independence. Put yourself out there. To attract a quality man, you need to put yourself out there and be open to meeting new people. Join social clubs, attend events, and participate in activities that interest you. Use dating apps and websites to connect to potential partners. But be discerning about who you choose to meet in person. And these are the qualities that can help you to attract a high-value man. And I hope you find this video helpful. I'm going to see you next time in my next video. Bye!